Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to crop an image with a magnetic lasso tool. Let's begin. I already opened this image. Click the selection tool, right click on your mouse. Now see this magnetic lasso tool. Click right now. Zoom this image and click this corner. Then click and drag on your mouse. Move your mouse. Then automatically add it to the point. Press and hold space, then move mouse, then again press, and do not at this point you can simply click manually, then again apply the same way. I skip this video. Okay, then press Ctrl Z for duplicate layer this object, or or click this layer mask. Now see this crop this image. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.